In this video, we're going to be talking about how to check activation date of any iPhone. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? First things first, what I want you to do is simply head into your settings tab and then head into general and now into about. Simply go ahead and copy this little serial number right over here that you can see. Now, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open your Safari and head into coverage.apple.com. So let me just go ahead and do that. Once you're into their site, I don't know why it's not working, but they also do have an application, so you can go ahead and open coverage details in app, or you could also simply go ahead and check for serial checker iPhone, just like that. And then as you can see, the check coverage is right over here. Now simply go ahead and select the country that you purchased your phone from. So it could be anywhere in the world. And then you can simply go ahead and enter your serial number right over here. And finally, once you've entered that and click on submit, it will show you your activation date. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.